Hi guys, my name is John Melisandra, and today I will be demonstrating on how to paint bricks, and I will color it brown. But before that, I am going to introduce to you my materials. This is my pen palette and these are my colors guys, so I will just be using 4 colors. um, I have here the titanium white, the brilliant red, the medium yellow, and the lamp black. Okay, and these are my brushes. I have 1 inch flat brush, number 7 flat brush. Okay, I think I'm just using the 3 brushes. So, and here is number 1 round brush or liner brush for the details. You can use round brush, guys, number 0 or uh, double 0 or lesser than that. Okay, and this water, guys, for making the acrylic paints more fluid. So I'm gonna mix the water from time to time. And this is my canvas. It's 7 by 10 inches. I made it myself. It's wrapped in a plywood, and it has 3 coats of prime gesso, or you can use white acrylic paints, guys. Okay, so I'm going to start now with my bricks tutorial. Okay, first I'm going to wet my brush. I'm gonna dip it into the water. Okay, and then I'm going to mix brown color. So I'm gonna paint a brown or maroon bricks. So I'm gonna use the red and black, just a little amount of black, guys, because black is um, really strong. Okay, I think I'm going to add a little amount of yellow, red, yung black. Then just apply it here directly. I think I'm going to add more coats, guys. Okay, and more yellow. Using the 1 inch flat brush. To add more yellow and black. This is the base color, guys, or the background colors. You just have to blend it well. I'm gonna mix more yellow and red. You can use a higher grade acrylic, guys, like heavy bodies or artist grade acrylics. That's better than this kind of acrylic. This, I mean, I'm just using the student grade acrylic. Okay? That's why the pigment is lesser than when I'm using it or applying it with water. I am mostly using Reeves and B6 acrylic. More yellow. I'm going to add more yellow. Okay. Just blend it well. Okay, and don't forget to wash your brush, guys, after using it with pens, because it will dry sooner and it's gonna ruin your brush. Okay, and I think I'm going to add I think it is still wet, but I will try to add the details, the line of the bricks, or the gaps between the bricks. Okay, so I'm gonna use the darker color, and I'm gonna use the number 1 round brush, or the liner brush. Gonna mix red and black. Okay, red and black. And I'm going to measure the distance between the bricks, guys. So I think I'm gonna put one here. Here. You can use a roller, guys, if you want. Okay. Yeah, it's still really wet. And also the other one here, so it should be the same distance. Okay. Here. Okay. Okay. Also here. And to mix another dark color. It's okay, guys, if you commit mistakes. You can actually correct it. You can paint it over with other colors or the same color. Okay, then I'm going to add more separation, or separation lines. I call it separation lines. So I'm gonna make sure, guys, that each bricks has the same width or height. Okay, I'm gonna add one here. Okay, so I assume that my bricks are this size. Another bricks with that size. Okay. Okay. Here. Also here. Okay. And here. Okay. Another dark color here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to add one here. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, that's it. Okay, guys. So I think you can see now it's the shape of the bricks. Okay. Then you can Actually guys, you can let it dry first before you adding more details, but me, I'm going to add details while it's drying. But it's better guys if you let it dry first. Okay, going to add more. I'm going to add highlights guys of the bricks. So I'm gonna use white, yellow, and a little amount of red and black. Right. So I'm assuming guys that my light is coming from the top left here. So I'm gonna add the highlights or of the edges of the bricks on the top and the left side. Okay. So I'm gonna put some highlights here. Okay. And also here. Okay. I am using the number 1 liner brush guys, or round brush. Yeah. Okay. Here, also here. Okay. Okay. Here. Okay. Okay. Don't forget on top guys. Okay. And one here. Okay. Also here. Okay. Okay. It's okay guys if you commit mistakes. Like this one. Okay. Okay. So here. Okay, that's it. Okay. And I'm going to add more dark color or depths on the on the on the between gaps on this of the bricks. Okay, so I'm gonna use the black and more red. Okay, I'm gonna add more here. If it's okay guys if you leave it that way, that's also fine. Okay. Okay. here. Okay. Okay. And now I'm going to add more cracks. I'm going to play with the bricks and add some cracks. So the same color, guys, the dark brown. Okay. Going to add one crack here. Okay. This will be a bigger crack. Okay. I'm using the same brush, guys, the numbers 1 round brush or liner brush. Okay. Okay. And I'll hold this here. Okay. Okay. It's a continuation of cracks. Okay. Here. Okay. I think we'll add more. I'm gonna play more. You can actually play with your bricks, guys. Okay. I'm going to cut more here. Okay. I'm going to add more details, like, okay. Okay. And I'm going to add highlights on the cracks. So the same highlight color, guys, the white, yellow, and red. Okay. So add some here and here. Okay. Here. Okay. Also here. Here. Okay. Okay, that's it. What else? Okay. Okay. And I think, guys, I am done with my simple demonstration on how to paint um, bricks. So if you like this tutorial, guys, please hit like, add some comments, or subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos in the future. And visit my website www.gmlesondra.com for more paintings if you wanna see my old works. And please practice every day, guys. Paint more so that you'll develop that skills. You will become more used with your brush. You know how to use it, and you know how to mix the colors you want. So that's my only advice, guys, and I want to say thank you so much and have a nice day.